This method can help answer key questions in the high-intensity focused ultrasound field, such as can laser ultrasound nucleated cavitation be used to guide and also enhance HIFU cancer treatments. The main advantage of this technique is that through the combination of nanoparticles, HIFU and laser illumination, it can overcome the limitations of each of these modalities by themselves.
Manufacture phantoms to demonstrate the nucleation method. Start with deionized, degassed room temperature water in a glass beaker. In addition, prepare 40% weight by volume acrylamide bisacrylamide solution. Add the solution to the water followed by a buffer and ammonium persulfate. Place the beaker inside a vacuum chamber situated on a magnetic stirrer plate. Add a 40 mm long PTFE magnetic stirring bar to the beaker and stir at medium speed. Slowly add bovine serum albumin powder. When done, close the vacuum chamber and start the vacuum pump. Maintain the target vacuum and continue stirring for 60 minutes. Next, release the vacuum and continue working with the solution. Add nanoparticles for phantoms that require them. For all phantoms, add the catalyst. After 5 minutes of mixing, pour the solution into individual molds and wait 20 minutes. This is an example of a phantom that is set and been removed from the mold. It is ready to use in the experiment. Once the